Hello, Assalamu alaikum. I hope you all will be fine. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today in this video we discuss about what is buffer and its characteristics. So let's start the video. First of all, we discuss what is buffer chemistry. Our solutions is the whole pH and not our adult for your great attention. That is the addition of small quantities of the either and acid for your base is called a buffer solution. Buffer is also defined as a solution of reservoirs accidentally and the alcohol which is the residence charges for pH upon for the addition is a small amount of your acid and alkali. Many chemicals reaction are the carried out at the content pH. It is the nature. There are many systems that use for the buffering for pH regulations. For example, a bacterionet for your buffering system is used for the regulate pH of blood, and bacterionote is the acid that is buffer in the ocean. This is the table content. First of all, we discuss the characteristics and solution of buffer. It has a defined pH. Its pH does not change the standing of long period of time. Its pH does not change on dilution. Its pH is a slightly change in addition of small quantity on an acid or base. Types of buffer solution. Acidic buffer, it is the form of your mixture that is the weak of acid and it is the salt with a strong base. Example CH3COOH. And the basics of buffer, it is the formed by is the mixture that is the weak of base that is the salt or strong acid. Examples in the C number simple buffer. It is the formed by your mixture and acid salt that you have the normal salt and the polish basics. Acid or the salts is the weak of acids and weak of basics. Example buffer actions. Acid buffer, it is the mixture and the equation solution. Acid is the acid and the drops of your strong acid is added in the above of your buffer solutions H plus. Icon and the ions for your combine in the CH3COO ions, that is the form of your feebly ions, and these are the host ionocysts for your further sponsors and due to the common effectors, so pH is the solutions of alternate. Action of the base. When a drop of strong base is added in the above of buffer solutions, it is react for the free acid and form of dissociate for water and molecules, that is pH of your solutions to unalternate. Basics buffer, it is the mixture of and questions for the solution action bases. It is the drop of HCI is added in the added H plus icons combined for the NH24 and 0H is the form of dissociated water molecules, so pH is the buffer of unsatisfied. Hydrogen and equations, that is the acid buffer. By you have to the law of chemical equations, and these are the equations known as the Henderson equations, where you have to the disconnections constant initial concentrations of salt, initial concentration of acid. In the basics buffer, it is the mixture of NH4COO and NH4C1. Buffer capacity is defined at the number of moles, and these are the acid base on the added in their literally in the solutions of changes and pH by quality unit. Buffer capacity is number of the moles and acid basics on the added and the literally one solution changes in pH. Applications of buffer in chemistry. Buffer are used for the industrial process such as the manufacture of paper, days link print and drugs etc. Buffers are also employed in the agriculture, dirty product, and preservations of your various types of your food and fruit. It is also used to determine the pH with your help and in directors. Blood is the natural buffer in maintenance of pH, essential for the sustained life because as enzyme crystallize for your pH sensitive process. This is the normal pH of the blood plasma in 7.4. For your removal and passport for you have the qualitative in ignorant and you have the elastic after you have to the second chronic using CH3COOH plus CH3COO and a buffer. Frequently asked questions about what is buffer and its type. This solution, which is the obsession for your changes, is in their pH volume. This is the addition of small amount that is the strong acid that are based in the noun of buffer solution. These are the mainly acidic for buffer and the basics of buffer. Second number is what are the properties of buffer. The properties of buffer is pH is the buffer of solution and reserved. Second property is it is the pH don't have to change the standing for a long period of time. In the third number, its pH does not change on the dilutions. In the third number, the most